What's features highlight? About Greenworks 24-volt 3-gallon cordless wet/dry shop vacuum with hose. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including the Greenworks 24-volt 3-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum is compact and portable while still providing plenty of power with 60 cfm of airflow and intense suction for both wet and dry applications. The vacuum quickly converts to a blower for light debris removal, and the washable HEPA filter traps 99.7% of dust. The Greenworks 24-volt lithium-ion platform powers over 75 outdoor products, including lawn mowers, blowers, string trimmers, chainsaws, hedge trimmers, and much more. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.